Wanna know how to tweet on Twitter? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Daily Tutorials. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. Now, to make a tweet, all you have to do is tap on this floating icon on the bottom right with a feather inside it and a blue circle. Here, you have various options for tweeting. I'll explain you 5 of them. The very first one is to make a simple tweet. Tap on what's happening and you can tweet with just a simple caption. I'm gonna do it. You can also do the same. And when you're done keeping the caption, tap on tweet on the top right corner. You can see you have simply sent a tweet. And yes, that's your tweet on the screen. You can see that. So for the next one, tap on this floating icon once again. Just below it, you can see that there is a camera icon on the bottom left and then lots of pictures from my own gallery. I can choose to take a picture at the moment and tweet. I'm gonna tap on this camera icon and then take a picture. Tap on use photo on the bottom right. You can add a comment here, you can add some emojis as well, and then tap on tweet on the top right corner. You can see your tweet is being tweeted, just wait for it. And yes, you can view it. So you have successfully tweeted with a picture. For the next one, tap on this floating icon once again. You can choose any of the picture from the gallery by tapping on this gallery icon on the bottom left. Choose one of the picture that you want to, and then add a comment. When you're done, tap on this tweet option on the top right corner. You can see your tweet is being tweeted and you can view it once again. So this is it. And going back, tap on this floating icon once again. You can see below this camera icon you have an option of everyone can reply. Tap on it. You have an option of choosing and maintaining your privacy. You can choose who can reply to your tweet. You can choose for everyone, people you follow, or only people you mention. I am going to keep it everyone. You can also do the same or choose of your own. On the bottom left, next to the gallery icon is an option of GIF. Tap on GIF. You can also tweet with a GIF. I'm going to tap on one of the GIF and then add a comment on it. And when you're done with it, you can tap on tweet on the top right corner. You can see you are just tweeting it with a GIF as well. So this is it. And the next one is tap on this floating icon once again. Next to this GIF is an option of poll. Tap on poll. Here you can ask a question and make people vote on your poll so that you can get a better opinion of the public. Tap and ask a question and keep the question that you want to keep. Tap on choice 1, keep the very first choice, and then tap on choice 2 and make the second choice. Okay, so you can see that you have normal words. And when you're done, below it you can see an option of poll length. You can keep this poll and you have a time period to set. You can set it for lots of days, hours, and minutes. I'm going to keep it for 2 days, 23 hours, and 58 minutes. And tap on set next to cancel when you're done. And on the bottom left, you have an option of who can reply to your poll. I'm going to choose an everyone. You can choose off your own. And when you're done, tap on tweet on the top right corner. You can see your tweet is being loaded and it's being tweeted. This is it. You have successfully tweeted. Go back to this floating icon once again. Next to this poll is a location icon. Tap on this location icon. You can tap on OK if you want to let Twitter collect, store, and use your device precise location. Tap on OK and tap on allow. Search for the location that you have been tweeting from. I'm going to choose my location and type one of the tweet that I want to tweet. And even you can use some of the emoji and then tap on tweet on the top right corner. You can see you have successfully tweeted even with the location. Tap on this floating icon again. So you have successfully used every option for tweeting. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.